pretty much go.
Yeah, it didn't end from them doing this. So I cut through here.
Now we ain't showed a start of the trail. That's to keep you little whippersnappers off of it. If you don't know, it won't hurt you.
Harper then fucking driving the side-by-side around. I can take that wherever we, with the 4-seater Can-Am, I can take that Toyota anywhere. That Can-Am, now go to the left.
Yeah, I went that way before.
So I want to try to get them to release this because they only have this pile of shit to take out of here.
Now, did you hear that? This is a red zone, so stay the hell out of it. For now.
This was pretty wild fucking building this.
When did you build this?
December, November. Fucking washed down. That pipe, this is where that pipe pops down. The dozer and all this is nice and smooth. This will take us to the Monterey Plain where you'll have to come back down, but if you want to go up and see it, it's done.
That's the way you were supposed to go?
Yeah, right now we're still on what is the trail.
Yeah. This is the trail or that's the trail?
No, that's the trail. That takes us up the mountain.
That stops right at the concrete.
No, it goes past the tunnel and all. It's all. I take my fucking F-250 up here. Yeah, down here is where that fucking roadblock that we were talking about is. I don't know if I'd go down it, but I didn't want to come up it because it's a little fucked up.
Yeah, there's a big hump in the middle of it.
What? But I mean, this is gonna be nice back here. I mean, right now it's all grown in. I still have to go over this with the dozer. Right here on the right side where all these elephant ears are, stay to your, because there's a fucking hole. The hill froze over on me. Right here. Fucking goes right down.
You filled that in, didn't you? Wasn't that way worse?
Yeah, oh yeah, it was. I just, the next day I only had my Mini, next day fucking ice, and I couldn't fucking do nothing with it.
Yeah, his trail was ugly on one side.
When it's all cleared out and trimmed down, it's fucking nice up there.
Yeah. I mean, it was real hard to get up there.
Like this is falling. Remember, I don't know if you remember how hard it was to get up here.
Yeah.
Keep going. So I take my fucking full-size pickup truck off. But when this is all, I had cleared all this underneath all this shit. It's all fucking nice, you know, a nice big area to hang out. Remember, it was all shitty here.
Yeah.
It was
You
like,
put that stone there?
yeah, because they're like, well, I'm blocking. I said, I'm not fucking blocking the whole thing off. Put it where you can't get a machine in there. If you want to walk in there, that's your problem.
And this goes back how far?
All the way to the foundation like this.
foundation.
Okay, the trail was supposed to go straight, but now it's probably gonna go down the old railroad bed to the bottom of the hill.
Could you turn around?
Yeah. I have my pickup truck all the way out there. Here's the other side of the tunnel. I thought this was cool when I found this slate.
Yeah, that is. Yeah.
Well, here we're gonna go down then.
With this?
No.
Oh, I'm gonna say.
No, but this, I mean the path.
Yeah, that's a fuck of a path. So that's gonna be that's plan B.
Where everything that we just came is considered phase 2.
Yeah.
So then we're gonna go down, all the way down and catch, the road to the A-hole.
So you're not using this road anymore?
No, because we were.
Yeah.
That's so much deep shit, like this slate, the way it's cut out, left.
Yeah. Fucking scary as fuck.
Now anyone knows this trail, knows a ravine right next to it. Now the plan is to run the trail right down in the ravine.
You have one shot.
But now I have to get in here and make the trail down through there.
Okay.
Because
So that's Gerard?
no, that's that EDT.
Oh, okay. And what's this, railroad here?
We're getting into railroad. Here, I'll show you where railroad property is.
So this is still that EDT?
I have all the property ones.
It's gonna be fun to way back there. Yeah. That's not too bad. This is warning, big time.
Yeah, I remember it wasn't even a fucking divot coming through here.
And this would be part of the path?
Yeah.
This is Reading.
No.
Or this
This is all that EDT.
Oh, okay.
EDT owns from that lump all the way to up at the flats,
Okay.
up above the A-hole. See, this is where the property EDT, that sign is our property.
Okay.
Right here.
Yeah. That's one of my old chums. Could sail off of that one.
down in like at the end where the trailer is behind your house on Upper Railroad Street.
Yeah.
The road used to come there and then go up and bend up across the valley. If you look in the woods, you can see all the house foundation. I never knew that. Mike Wayne, you know, he did bottles and he showed me all that stuff years ago. It's like, yeah, that's where I find most of my fucking bottles.
I know there's another street. I didn't think I went up this far. Straight or that one?
That's the one up to the greenie, right?
Yeah.
Well, we did that. That takes you up to the top.
Yeah,
Straight
this
across.
takes you up to the top too. Yeah, we'll go this way. That's why I keep telling everybody, you cannot get lost back here. You're gonna end up here at the tracks.
I always,
back
you know,
where you came.
when I send people up here, I say if you feel like you get lost, just keep going and take every path up to the top of the mountain. Because it all end up at that, you know, the road.
Yeah, it's like a little island.
Now we go down past the greenie to the edge of the path. There's an old road on Burma Hill. Runs on the edge of the property line. Now I knew about from walking the dog years ago. Now if they use this path, it would be a great scenic route. Plus they'll save themselves a lot of money for land leasing because it's right on the edge of the property. But you never know until it happens.
Videos like this, you might get more Jeeps.
Picture of that. Nice lookout. It is nice though.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a lookout, but could also be about a 300-foot hill climb.
Whoa.
Just saying.
You see they're out here in Holmesville? And they're all the way over towards the other side of the hill, New Media on the same thing, so I wonder if they're coming right through.
Yeah, probably.
Well, dude, they're gonna have to because they put these fucking data centers in. They have to fucking be able to get to all these lines because they're gonna have to upgrade all the power. This could be fixed. Fucking have the side-by-side race up through here.
Yeah, they should.
Yeah, because you know what? One good thing about that, if we send them through paths that are all fucking rotted up and beat up like this, it kind of smooths them out.
That's true, too.
That looked like it recently fell down.
Gonna make that into a jump one day. But yeah, they're supposed to redo that. And be able to get their fucking trucks up there. No, that looks way worse than when it did.
Oh, it is. I wouldn't fucking go up it.
None of the rocks were there.
If it looks this bad here, what's it look up on that fucking off-camber part?
I know, but this was the easy part.
Yeah, and then once you get up around the bend, it gets in that
Yeah.
fucking off-camber. It was that far when I went up, the wet rocks were that fucking moldy and slimy.
Yeah.
Well, I would imagine them leaving this road like this to try to get their trucks up, not PPL, you know?
Yeah.
They'll fucking 2B this whole fucking thing. Modify this whole thing.
Oh, fuck. It'd be a racetrack.
I want to fix all this up, make like a little fucking grove in here.
In there.
Yeah.
That'd be nice. You
Yeah.
could sit in there and eat lunch.
Yeah, I'll get a couple reels. I can take the machine in there, flatten it, you know, and keep the trees, but how the area is,
Yeah.
you know, make it semi-flat, like clean up these edges,
Oh, yeah.
and put a couple fucking reels in here,
You should do that.
you know? Fucking great. Fucking come fucking ride and be able to nice fucking shady spot, fucking sit down and have some lunch.
Yeah, people.
All that work, fucking spend all that money to get the electric in it and no one fucking switch it.
Free day. Sometimes there is that.
Save the best for later, and later is getting